Hey y'all, while I'm in the flow, I'm just going to keep going. I have another image from Tailor Made Journals from her Fairy Garden Kit 1 and some more quotes. This one says, "Come with me where dreams are born." And this one says, "The best is yet to come." And I thought these quotes were appropriate because there was a little baby in a cradle with fairies all around it. And I thought this would be super cute together. So I'm going to use this page. I printed the images onto copy weight paper, so I've backed them all onto book page. I'm just going to trim around this. These fairy images are available in the Tailor Made Journals Etsy shop, and the quotes are available in Adamo Prints Etsy shop. Okay, now I'm just going to make a tuck spot this time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put glue on the bottom and on one side. Just deciding exactly where on the page I want to put this and get it glued into place. Now I have a little tuck spot. I'll make something later on to go inside of that tuck spot. In the meantime, I'm going to decide where to put these quotes. I think I like this one on the bottom of that tuck spot, on the bottom of that image. An afterthought was it would have been really cute if I'd have made that a teeny tiny pocket, but I didn't. I just glued it directly down. Now I decided I wanted this other quote on the page that would be next to this image. So I put the signature back together and decided, yep, this is where this quote is going to go. Okay, I'm done with this page for now. Thanks for watching, y'all.